Far from Rome, life continued unnoticed.
Rome did not arrive with questions.
His value was decided in silence.
Once sold, the road no longer belonged to him. Some roads are built to erase what you were. This was not an entrance. It was a threshold.
Night did not bring rest. It brought silence.
The body does not resist pain. It adapts. Pain had done its work. Now came control.
The order came first. Survival came later.
This was not a fight to win. It was a fight to remain standing.
The fight ended before it could become a story. Morning did not mean a new beginning. It meant continuation. They were not prepared to fight. They were prepared to be presented. Weapons were not given as protection. They were given as proof. Light does not welcome. It exposes.
The arena did not see a man.
It saw a moment.
Before the strike, there is recognition.
The signal did not come from the sand. It came from above. The first blood does not choose sides. It announces reality.
The arena woke when the crowd decided to feel.
When speed fails, structure takes over. A trap is not hidden. It is invited. Falling is not defeat. It is the moment defeat becomes possible. In Rome, mercy was not an emotion. It was a decision. This was not cruelty. It was procedure. He survived the arena. He returned to the cage. Blood leaves the skin. The cage does not.
The reward was simple. Enough strength to survive the next day.
There was a time when work meant life, not survival. He did not lose his life in the arena. He lost it the day he stopped choosing.